fairness, you struggle with buses in Chicago.
This is true.
Did you survive going backwards over the bridge?
I survived going backwards over the bridge. We were really close to the edge of that bridge, though. And, we made it.
Made it. Got a little adventure. Really deep in there. Got it. Yeah, try harder. Okay, so we popped the tire, but we made it up the hill. Now we're just waiting in this storm with our friends under this hood. You know.
Adventure.
Yeah, this is definitely an adventure. So we are occupying the back porch of this house. Basically, you just can't see anything. So we've got a pop tire, bus moving in the wind. So consensus is we're gonna hang out here for, you know, however long we have to. So these clothes aren't getting dry anytime soon. Don't know who lives here, haven't seen them, maybe they'll let us in. But they do have a satellite, so if we can get them to let us stay the night, that's a decent option right now. We are stranded.